Miles gets a new machine, Dave gets a printer.
That seems fair.
That's fair.
Nothing went wrong with it.
This is really thrilling stuff.
I'm trying to call the door people right now.
I love this.
Yeah, that's a Miles special. And the beef is still there. He did very well.
Get someone out here to give us a quote on reinstalling that door or putting it in.
Goodbye, Collins. It's like what we do, but really not good.
Yeah.
Crazy that that's the low bill.
That's like saying, oh, a record and a CD are the same thing.
We're talking about like this, like platform. This size.
Yeah, they use the same size.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's like the best. It's the best. Like,
Yeah, walk it back, walk it back. So maybe there is a difference, you just don't
Sure,
care.
there is. I just never
Okay,
I'm sorry, we didn't have a PlayStation growing up. We weren't rich.
Neither did I. You don't have a door anymore. Yeah, I know. There's no lock on the apartment. You gotta get a forklift.
We need a shipping container so we can store it.
Golf cart.
Wait, hold up. Golf cart forklift.
It's a lot quieter out here.
Alright, let's run some parts, baby.
Gotta get it on shipping bracketed first.
He's such a little guy. Got some drywall in the spindle.
Good.
It like just straight to the edge.
We're not gonna power it.
Oh,
We're just gonna, because we have to wait for install. So they do all that. When they come to install, they clean it all, put the oil everywhere.
When do they come? Next week, I think. They have to authorize it. Yeah, I was looking at those. I don't know what it is. Like some kind of weird lead or something.
If we power it out, which we probably can, and we forget to put oil somewhere, and then we're f***ing with it,
That's awesome.
and then there's no oil anywhere there's supposed to be, we're f***ing.
You're so mature now.
Dang it.
We got him.
I suppose I can wait a week.
Do they level it out or do they just put the feet on?
They get it rough level, and then when they come for the install, they
Oh, they'll do it?
yeah, they level it. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing.
Maybe it's set up so that you just can't open it until they get here.
FP, not super punk rock. Hey.
I don't want to flip it.
Are you just filming my butt?
They're gonna get here and be like, why the f did you take this off?
Yeah.
Next move. Crank out the parts.
Is there a part catcher?
They're supposed to be.
It's probably in one of the boxes.
I don't know.
I like how these buttons feel.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I'm clean with my hands on it. She's the one who's like, hands covered in oil, just like, I can't stand my hands.
The housing is probably 44 by whatever.
It's 47 from the sheet metal to the sheet metal. And then they count for the spindle, like grain, and the spindle is just crazy.
It's so cute.
It's already got greasy handprints on it.
Oh yeah.
You keep taking it apart.
I'm getting the shipping brackets up. Just to take it down to nuts and bolts.
Yushin, do you like your new machine?
It's my size. When I worked in the model shop, the mini mill was mine. It's tiny.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Well, I like the coolant sprayer with the wide flat nozzle.
Yeah, and then there's
Different attachments, I'm sure.
the coolant that
Through
runs
coolant?
through here. What's special about this machine, other than the fact that it fits through our door, which is the main selling point, this is a Japanese-made machine, and it has box ways. Look on the hops. This is what most CNC machines are built with. These are linear guides. So these are like bolted on, and then there's like bearings here, right here, and it's very convenient and accurate, but not as rigid because this bearing basically runs on ball bearings, and there's space between the ball bearings and the guide. But on here, it's box ways, just like it's similar to like a manual machine, but it's super rigid because there's so much surface area contact. It's all the way through here, and it is a 2-inch by 1-inch way versus like a 1 by 1 inch way with ball bearings. So there's space between all the ball bearings and all that shit. Box ways, and then we found this out 2 days ago when I was scrambling trying to figure out where to put this thing. The coolant tank is integral to the machine. So as the coolant heats up, the whole machine will heat up and then it'll be stable. Whereas if it's like an external coolant tank like most machines have, it's kind of separate and never really, you got like hot coolant flowing from the coolant tank into a cold machine, and it never really gets to temperature, so you can have issues with accuracy and consistency. But once this thing gets up to temperature, it should be pretty good. And by far the best and most coolest selling point is our logo. They're actually changing this, but this is genuinely the logo. I did not put this on here. That is actually what they thought the best logo would be for that brand. It's crazy. Their keys.
Japanese size.
This truck came with it, and then I have the pallet truck. Now that I see it, I'm a little worried about the length.
But it's for the machine, right? Or you got it?
They're separate. I got it from with the machine.
Oh, okay.
Yaman's consent.
I think you'll do it.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. This is also a hydraulic truck, so this is programmable still. So if we have to run a 3-jaw truck, it's fine. We just couldn't do second out like work on the 3-jaw. That's okay because we have the outlet. Supposed to have a parts catcher. The guy told me he had a parts catcher. So I will be getting a parts catcher. I don't know if we have more Z travel available there. There's nothing wrong with using, we just wouldn't be able to do like second operation, like chucking onto a finished part, but we probably won't do much of that.
Recycle start button isn't green. What the
What color is it?
It's just clear. With the green Sharpie. C-axis, we don't have a C-axis.
Nope.
And then how do you load programs and stuff onto it?
We're gonna network it. So it's gonna be directly from the computer. I gotta figure it out, but I know I can do it. So I'm gonna move that green desk like right here so I can just get
It's
in.
got graphic mode so you can see the dual paths on the screen
Yeah.
here. That's cool. I think the hot does too, but it's like a pain to get to.
Yeah, you can do that.